The real estate market in the Hamptons is still booming. In contrast to other premium neighborhoods, supply is just catching up with demand. The Hamptons luxury sector, which includes the most expensive homes, is showing no signs of slowing down. 70% of the 937 homes have a pool, 48% have a fireplace, 11% have a tennis court, and 25% have stunning views of the water. The white-hot sector is attributed to a number of factors, according to top brokers in the area. "Turn what you love into where you live," says the motto of the Hamptons, and we couldn't agree less. With million-dollar homes in one place, it's hard to choose which is the best. So in this video, we've compiled a list of the top 10 most expensive homes in the Hamptons. But before that, hello there. This is Grand Luxury, where you can find all things luxurious. So, what are we waiting for? Without further ado, here are the most expensive homes in the Hamptons. Privacy and glorious Atlantic vistas in East Hampton, NY. This first one on the list is already worth $18,500,000. The 3-story detached house sits on a 2-acre site and has 9,000 square feet of interior space. Enjoy amazing views out to the Atlantic and a sense of tranquility and peace with 6 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms. And the other good thing is that the Maidstone Golf Club is all about a 5-minute drive away. Imagine being able to enjoy the fresh air and peaceful moments of this lovely home, feeling like the royalty that you are. A gated 15,200 square feet estate in Southampton, NY. This next one is worth $25 million, and it's only going to get more expensive from here on out. You can feel your French vibes here, from one-of-a-kind details and ceiling-to-floor French doors to the wine room, laundry chute, and staff quarters. There's a flow and attention to detail throughout. The kitchen has marble worktops and professional stainless steel appliances, and the garage has 6 parking spaces and lifts. There's also a sauna and an indoor pool. So if you're feeling like a French baron, wait until you actually feel more like one in this house. Original features galore and an eye-catching facade in Southampton, NY. Are you feeling vintage? Maybe you get that dark academia vibes and you want that old-time aesthetic. Then this house is to your liking. Built during the golden era of 19th century Hampton's summer society in the 1860s, the house is near to the water and has been completely refurbished. Original lead glass windows, stained hardwood flooring, wainscoting, and paneling are just a few of the features. The eye-catching facade, which is gated for complete privacy, gives way to moldings, millwork, and carefully plastered walls. There's an attractive swimming pool, an outdoor fireplace, and a built-in grill outside the lovely landscaped garden, the perfect entertainment location. Direct waterfront across 659 feet and a cove-facing pool in Watermill, New York. This house is at a whopping $35 million. If you want to feel like a millionaire, better listen to what this one has to offer. This magnificent home in a Hayground Cove has 12,000 square feet of indoor living area with 8 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. You'll arrive at the wood-sided property with a cedar roof after driving down the private lane. Watermill is less than 5 minutes away by car, but why would you want to leave this picturesque spot? Just stay there and bask in the cool breeze and feel that rich man vibes. Yep, feel it. Strongheart Manor, 14,000 square feet and a dozen bathrooms in Sag Harbor, New York. Worth $44 million, this property can be found in Sag Harbor. This 12-bedroom residence lies on a 7-acre site stretched across 3 separate lots. The main house is known as Strongheart Manor. Fancy name, right? A large bay frontage and a private deepwater dock, as well as a sandy beach and a waterfront pond is there for you, like a mermaid land. It's just like Ariel's Palace, if you ask us. The gated estate offers solitude and peace while only being 5 minutes from picturesque Sag Harbor, which is famed for its world-class boating. A screened-in porch, many gathering areas, and multiple fireplaces are all included. And outdoors, a sizable pool, rolling lawns, and a basketball court. Hold on! Please click the subscribe button to get an alarm for more updates. Also, don't forget to leave a like. Which of these houses so far are you liking the most? On a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you like to live in the Hamptons? Tell us in the comments below. Now, let's get back to the video. A rare opportunity to purchase waterside Ocean Dream in Southampton, NY. Now tape your jaws, because this one is worth $49,999,999. Ocean Dream, a waterside development in Southampton, is a stone's throw from the shore. The 7,660 square feet property has 3 levels, 9 bedrooms, and 12 bathrooms. The coastal property includes a pool and a grass tennis court. The The lovely shingle-style property may be found just off renowned Gin Lane down a private road. The property has media and sunrooms, a formal dining space, a butler's pantry, and a large dine-in kitchen. Open the French doors and enjoy the view of the ocean. Feel the breeze on your skin and sigh in relaxation. There's a workout room, staff quarters, and a 3-car garage back inside, feeling like a castle by the sea. Architecturally impressive and overlooking the ocean in Wainscott, New York. Worth $49,500,000, this one is a property you should look out for. This standalone oceanfront villa in Wainscott lies on 3 acres with 6 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms. The spectacular residence is hidden behind a guarded entrance and boasts tempered glass, granite, and zinc, which overlooks the ocean. There's a beautifully designed deck and pool outside, as well as a spacious covered space with an outdoor kitchen, dining table, and a seaside living room. Take a stroll along the private boardwalk and across the dune to Wainscott Beach, where you may enjoy sunbathing, body surfing, and midnight bonfires. Not only do you get a house, but also the activities of a lifetime right beyond your door. A waterfront family home looking out to Cooper's Beach in Southampton, New York. Well, we're gonna step into the more expensive territory from here on out. This property is worth a huge $52,500,000. Expensive, but worth it. The 3-story beachfront house has 7 bedrooms and 8 baths and lies on 3 acres. Enjoy beautiful waterside vistas and easy access to the beach beyond the private dune with 200 feet of frontage. What else is there to say? A swimming pool, an alfresco covered eating area, a tennis court, a 2-car garage, and a plethora of terraces and decks. Overall, you can have the water freshness and peace of a lifetime here. Grand and capacious, sitting on 10 acres of manicured land in Southampton, New York. Watch out! This house is up for sale for $75 million. Sheesh! The words grandiose and majestic will come to your mind when describing this 18,000 square foot magnificence in Southampton. One of the most expensive homes we've ever advertised in the Hamptons, with 12 bedrooms, 15 bathrooms, 3 levels, and separate staff quarters. A spa, a well-kept grass tennis court, a paddle court, and 2 pavilions with full kitchens for outdoor eating are also available. Plus, swimming pools. Well, Your Majesty, this grand house is where you belong. A 14-bedroom home with 360-degree views of the water in Southampton, New York. And here we have our most expensive Hampton house on the list, worth $78 million. This Southampton oceanfront home also has a view of Shinnecock Bay, giving it a full 360-degree sight of the water. It has a traditional style and a great location. You can go out and have a nice walk by the bay, return to the house and take a stroll on one of the private walks to the Atlantic for clear views in both directions. If you're looking for a house that will make you feel like you have the whole world in your hands, then this one might just be waiting for you. And that's the video. Which among these expensive Hampton houses would you like to live in one day? Let us know in the comments below. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the notification button to get alarmed with our latest content. If you're looking for all things luxurious, then Grand Luxury is what you are looking for.